Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Skript on your Minecraft server. So for this, we're going to be using PurpurMC, but you can use a lot of server software such as Bucket or Spigot or Paper, but Purpur just seems to be the most optimized one. So in your web browser, you want to search purpurmc.org, and then over here, you want to click the download latest button. Then you want to make a new folder anywhere. I made a new servers folder in my volume D folder, but right here we're in the in the servers. We're gonna go script tutorials, and in here we're gonna make a new text document, and we're gonna name it start.bat. Now you want to change the file extension. That's completely fine. Then right click it, click show more options, and click edit. And then in here you want to do java-jar server.jar --no GUI. Then you can just control S it or just file and save. It's in German here, but yeah. So then after that, you want to go to the downloads and drag this over to the script tutorials folder, or like to the server folder. And then here, name it server.jar. So once that's done, you want to double click the start.bat file. And it should be downloading some stuff. It should be putting like some folders and some files in here. So just wait for that to happen. So then at some point it's going to say something like, yeah, failed, you didn't agree to the EULA. So it should be generating an EULA.txt folder file for you. You want to double click that. And then here, we're going to make EULA equals false to EULA equals true. This is just so that you agree to the Minecraft EULA, so that you don't break their terms of services. So after that, you can just double click the start.bat again, and it's going to set up the entire server. So once it says done seconds, the server is successfully started, and if there's any errors in here, you want to try to fix them. These warns are usually not important, so we are going to ignore that. So I'm just going to start up Minecraft. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be going onto the multiplayer tab over here, and I'm going to delete that, but you can go to add server over here, and then here you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it script tutorial server, and in the server address you want to type in localhost. Then you want to hit done, and it should be there. And if I click the play button, you can also see that I am in the server after a bit of waiting. Here we go. I just joined the server. So, okay, I spawned in a jungle. That's awesome. And as you guys can see, we don't have game mode creative, for example. We don't have permissions. So, yeah, we're gonna do /op or something that all doesn't exist. If we do /plugins, we can see that there's the Spark plugin, which is the default one here. Yeah, so if you want to actually be able to, do stuff on your server, you're gonna need to have operator or op. Now this also applies to all the script stuff that we want to do. So back here on our desktop, we're gonna go to so we're gonna type in this address bar op, and then you want to type in your username. In my case, it's Serbit. So I'm gonna press enter, and you're gonna see made Serbit a server operator. So I'm gonna go back to Minecraft, and you can also see in chat that I was just made a server operator. So if I now try to do /game mode creative, you can already see it actually works, and I'm actually able to switch game modes to creative. But you can see if I do /plugins, there's no script plugin, but we want to have a script plugin. So to do that, you want to go to your web browser and search up script lang, and then there's going to be a GitHub page right here. So you want to click on this. It should say releases, and here is going to be the latest version of Skript. You can go to tags as well, and this is the latest one. You can see it was released 3 weeks ago. So there's all the change logs and stuff. Usually all the stuff that you've write is the same, so we can just click on the script.jar file. You can download it to a location that you know where it is, and yeah, that should be done with that. So after that, on your server folder, you want to navigate into the plugins folder. So usually if you don't have any other plugins installed, there should only be the bstats folder and the Spark folder. But we're going to go to our folder where we downloaded the script jar, and we're going to just drag this over to our plugins folder. Once that's done, we can actually go back to the script tutorial server folder, and inside of our command prompt, we're going to type in stop. So basically stop. And if I switch back to Minecraft, it's going to say server closed. So we're just going to wait for a refresh, can't connect to server. So after that, you're going to want to run the start.bat file again. Script, enabling script version 2.7.2, and then script successfully generated the config and the example scripts, and you're currently running the latest stable version of script. So that all works, and then it said no scripts found, maybe you should write some. So that's just some indicators that script is fully working, and yeah. So now we're going to head back to Minecraft, and we're just going to join our script tutorial server again. And once we join, if we do /plugins, we can see there is Skript, and there's also Spark, so which was the other one. So yeah, that's basically everything for this video. So this just shows you how to install Skript for your server and how to set your server up. And in the next tutorials, I'm going to be doing some scripting tutorials to just show you how to do some basic scripting, to do some pretty cool stuff that you might want to have on your Minecraft server. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.